To remove the power supply cover, use a flat-headed tool to pry the power supply cover off the back cover. A tool is available in the toolbox behind the voodoo cover at the front of the unit. The power supply cover has several tabs that fit into slots on the back cover of the PC. There is a larger set of tabs on the cover that align into larger slots on the back cover. To replace the power supply cover, align the larger set of the tabs into their slots first. Then press the rest of the cover until all tabs have snapped into place.